better.
Give Daddy a hug. We'll take it off. Here.
Hey, buddy.
Give hug. Did you miss us? We missed you, bugger.
Did you rip the paper?
Yeah. You ripped the paper?
Have a hug?
Here, say hi, Daddy.
Hi.
Hi, Mommy. Give me a kiss. Oh, I missed you.
Thank you.
Want to go to the beach?
You want to go have lunch first?
So patient.
You want to have lunch?
You know what? We should change his diaper.